remastered? That's the question. Nope. They still ain't restocked. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. You know all the stuff the YouTubers say. We can skip that, man. I was supposed to get this review to y'all 2 weeks ago, man. But I was waiting for them to restock, and then I wound up going to Disney. I had a beautiful time at Disney. Got a chance to unds a lot of sneakers, man. I put some outfits together, man. But they didn't restock. Aww. They sure still is pretty, man. This is a well put together shoe, guys. If you ever wanted the 90s mixed with the 2020s, this is what you call remastered, man. If you didn't get your pair in hand, don't worry, guys. Trust me, they're restocking eventually. Nike Sneakers app is sitting on a couple of pairs. I promise you. I promise you, guys. But I'm going to do a full 4K review on these. I know it's a lot out there, but it's not a view like sneaker views. Yes, sir. Hit the B-roll. Yes, so even though I didn't do the review, I've been watching the market. On the Go app, I has it as something I want, even though I have them, just to check the price. And every now and then in the day, $310 is like the price, but then sometimes you find somebody who I guess needs the money. They go down to $280 or $260. That's the lowest I've seen, $260. But $310 to $350, depending on size, looks like the market now. Remember, I think after retail and tax, this is a $270, $280 sneaker. So $310 is not bad. The people know these will restock. We just don't know when. I mean, the Jordan 1 remastered blue joints sitting. The Jordan 3 remastered released like 3 different times after. So we got that. The only thing that really, even Lost and Found's restocked too. Y'all remember that on the Sneakers app. So I say be patient, guys. But let's get into this 4K review right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. The classic, nostalgic Jordan box, man. Got the cement print or the pink print or the elephant print. No one really told us what this is. We just went with what we went with in our neighborhood. But you get that on the top in gray. Nike Air logo on the sides. Big Jordan Flightman on the front. And then the back just has all the bells and whistles. Swoosh, Nike, ink, all that stuff there. Dope look, man. When you flip open the lid, you get that, you know, when you buy a new Apple product like that. Y'all know what I mean. Red inside. Paint splatter, elephant print, whatever y'all want to call it. Tissue paper. Then you get regular white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe, guys. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 4 Reimagined Breds, man. Crazy shoe, man. I just love that they keep coming out with like our favorites, man. Like just talking to my son earlier, he didn't even know about the stars at the bottom. That was a big thing, especially when eBay became popular and selling sneakers on eBay. You used to have to say in the description, all stars are present. The old real sneakerheads remember that, man. But let's start at the toe box like we usually do. Looks like Vaseline on it, man. Nice, tumbled, soft leather, guys. I like it, man. I seen a little bump right here on everybody pair. I mean, I guess it's okay, man. After you get to that tumbleness leather, you get regular leather around the toes. But let me not say regular because that's premium leather also, guys. All the way through. Looks like ostrich leather, man. Very good material on this sneaker, man. You know this is my favorite and highlight of the sneaker. Whenever we could get Nike Air on the booty, I love it, man. My old pair, I think 2012, came with just the Jordan Jumpman, so I like Nike Air on the booty better. Getting back to the shoe, you got your flap tab here, man. Like, this brings back so many memories, man. I mean, when I was a kid, I needed this to actually get my shoe over my foot, but the design is perfect also, man. Let's go to the outer. Nice classic netting. They didn't change it. I love that, man. Very, very good material. You can tell that's on the tongue also. Comes laced in your black shoelaces. I don't believe you get other shoelaces. You never got other shoelaces with Jordan 4s. Like, never in the history. On the tongue, you got the big Jumpman Flight logo. Huge, man. Sneaker put together, man. Let's take this out. No shoe tree, guys. So, you know, real versus fake. If you're trying to spot the fakes, it just comes in some nice, thick tissue paper, but no shoe tree. The back, of course, has the Air Jordan upside down. I think this started as a mistake back in the days and they just kept it. I'm not sure, but it's still classic and brings back memories. Nice, soft, feel like a towel, beach towel on the back. They kept it OG with that. The leather on the tongue is even in that remastered. You see the bumping of it, the tumbleness of it. This sneaker's very well put together, man. Your insoles are all red with a Nike and a swoosh there. Come to the bottom. They kept it OG at the bottom too with the red, gray, and white look. Nike Air with the swoosh also at the bottom. That was the right. This is the left. Noted that the tag is on the left sneaker guy. Another way for y'all to tell real from fake. The tag is on the left, guys. But I feel like this tag does not hold a candle to this tag. Even though these tags were too heavy, there was no way you was wearing your sneaker with this tag on without making a whole bunch of noise. So, with that being said, I do rather the lighter tag, guys. I rather this lighter tag. I just wish it was red. But black and I like it. I like it, man. Let's just leave it there. Everything adds up from left to right. Nothing's changed. You still get that beautiful tumbleness all through the sneaker, man. Who knows, man? Jordans just keep getting better. They really just keep getting better, man. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Did you cop yet? For retail, or did you just finally say, I want this sneaker now? When I really want a sneaker, I'm not going to lie. I shouldn't be telling y'all this because I'm a shoe tuber. But when I really want a sneaker and I don't have it yet, I kind of stay off YouTube, man. Because the world does something where it keeps showing you something you want. But trust me, these will restock. I wish I had a date for you guys. But when they restock, they're going to restock big, bro. It's not just going to be sneakers. It's going to be like Hibbett Sports. It's going to be so many places. Like I told you, I was in Disney last week, and them Jordan 1 yellow ochres everywhere. Them Fed 3s everywhere. And there's so many others I just can't think of right now. These are in the class of its own because the quality's A1. It's a Jordan 4. It's remastered. I get it, but they will restock, man. But I'm not here to tell you stay patient, man. Like, $310, I feel like is a great price, man. When the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds came out, that's a $200 shoe. People wanted $400 from the gate. I would tell you stay patient with that. But this is not far off the retail, man. Depending on your size. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.